Hey, what's up? This is Scott with Level Up Tuts, and today I'm going to show you a little bit about replacement patterns in views. Okay, and replacement patterns can be very useful if you're rewriting the output of a view. They also become very important, let's say if you're doing something with, you have a custom, let's see, a custom text field. Basically, anytime you need to bring in some information from one of your fields and you want to really change how it's going to be output, replacement patterns are the way to go, okay? So let's actually add a custom text field to this view that we already have here. It's just a few fields. We have just some content, a title, a video, whatever. And then I'm going to just have this be custom text as the label just so you can see what it is. And if you notice in our text here, this can be anything you want. It can even be HTML, but it doesn't have to be, okay? What you want to put in here, if you click on this recite or replacement patterns, if you click on this, it's going to give you all of the replacement patterns that are available. Now, if you can sort of see, it's grayed out here, but this custom text is the most recent field that we've added, so it's at the very bottom here. Okay, if this custom text field was at the top, this replacement patterns list would not really exist like this. In fact, let's check that out to see exactly what I mean. For your replacement patterns to be usable, they have to be loaded as a field before the field that you are using them in. So let's rearrange this and move our custom text field, custom text, to the very top, and then let's try to add some replacement patterns to it. So I'm going to click on this, and if I go to replacement patterns, you'll notice that the only things available is this nothing one, which is this particular custom text field, and the battle title and the input, which is our arguments actually. So these are things that are available by default, even if it's the first one. But like we said, we want to have access to these other ones, so I'm actually going to take this and put this back to the bottom where it was. And that goes for rewriting the output of a field too. If you need to do that, make sure whatever you are outputting the field into that custom output is either loaded before it or that field itself. So first off, let's add this custom text and let's check it out, exactly what we want to do here. Let's say there's some crazy stuff that you gotta have before or afterwards, whether it's HTML, but you still want this round information, which is one of our fields. What we can do here is we can look until we find content round, which is this, and its field round is its replacement pattern, and it's in brackets as you see here. So if we wanted to say this round is, and then field round, it's going to be good. Okay, so now this is going to output the value of this field into here. Okay, exactly where we have it. Let's apply this, and then I'll show you what we mean. This particular view takes an argument, 10 of which I know is going to bring back stuff. If it's not taking an argument, it doesn't matter. So as you can see here, we have our field custom text. This round is quarterfinals. It's going to be good. Okay, and if you notice, it's just the text itself and not the formatting. So it's not getting the same formatting that we're telling it to use in semantic views. It's just getting the value. As you can see here, I also have this watch on YouTube with another custom text field I had before, which has a watch on YouTube with a link, and that link is linked to a particular page. I mean, you can do pretty much whatever you want, as long as it fits in those replacement patterns, is HTML, whatever. And if you need to use PHP, there's a custom PHP field. That's another module, but we'll go over that at some other time. Okay, next I want to show you how to use the replacement patterns within a field if you're going to rewrite it. So let's say we just had to write this round, and we didn't want to have a custom text to just output this round. We want to just do it all in this content round field. Well, that's definitely possible. If we click on our round field, you can say it's excluding from display. So I'm going to uncheck that so that it's not being excluded. This is something that you would often want to use. Let's say if you were outputting it somewhere else, you could check this and it's not going to show up here. Then you can use it again in your custom text and it's going to be showing up. So let's go to rewrite results. And now if you want to check this, rewrite the output of the field, our replacement patterns also show up here. We can check these, and again, it's everything that's either above it or that itself. So for this one, we could also copy this and we could say this round is it is going to be good. Okay, and so this is a little bit more involved than just having a label here. It's a little bit more customized. You can do pretty much whatever you want. You can even use the replacement parts, the title, whatever. So let's apply this. And then I'm going to update my preview. And you can see here, this round is the quarterfinals. It is going to be good. Cool. All right, let's scroll down to the next one. This round is the semifinals. It's going to be good. Cool. So that is how you use replacement patterns in views using both a custom text field or rewrite the results of this field. If you have any questions or comments, please leave a comment on the video below. Hit us up at Twitter. Let us know what you're thinking. Once again, this is Scott, and thanks for watching.